This is Everyday BCS, and today I'll be going through P1 for Unit 7, Assignment 1, which is to explain the different security threats that can affect the IT system of an organization. To achieve P1, the first step is to identify 10 different security threats in IT. You can do this by going to your local browser and typing different security threats in IT. You can then use any article or website that you find and use it in your assignment. Just be sure to reference that website or article at the bottom of your assignment and leave some type of label next to where you used it. Once you have found 10 different security threats, the next step is to explain them. The best way to do this is to first define what it is, how it attacks an organization, and how it impacts an organization. To explain this better, let's look at a real example of using this method with a security threat known as a virus. A virus is a security threat that attacks a computer by creating copies of itself within a computer system, which can spread from computer to computer, causing damage to data. This can be caused by employees abusing their access by going onto illegitimate websites that carry viruses on them, which can cause a computer system to become infected or corrupted. This impacts an organization as they will lose data and information critical to an organization's stability and functionality. Let's break down this answer. The first thing the student did was define what a virus is. Then they provided an example of what it does to an organization's IT system by talking about a potential employee not following protocol and allowing the virus to be installed onto the system. Finally, the student talked about how the virus impacted the organization by talking about how they lost data and information critical to the organization. Also, don't use this example in your assignment word for word, as you will likely get flagged for plagiarism, which could affect your grade significantly. And be sure to repeat this same formula for all the other security threats. And after that, you have completed P1. Thanks for watching. And if the video helped, please be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of more unit videos when they are released.